My mom made me go outside because I was playing too much video games. But then I got lost. Now I have to survive until Jimmy John's arrives. Jimmy John's never came. Looks like I'm on my own. Obviously, the first step of survival is to keep your fingers warm. Put them in your pockets at all times. Now that my hands are warm, I have to pee. It's kinda hard to pee like this. I found a simple solution. I just peed on my hands. Well, now that we got that over with, it's time to find some shelter. Well, it looks like there's no place for shelter. It's time to go nomad. It's time to look for some food. Holy crap, what was that? What a jerk. I'm gonna teach that boy a lesson. I couldn't find him. Time to keep trying to survive. Looks like I'll have to get something else to eat. All this walking around's getting pretty boring. Good thing I brought my Game Boy. Well, I still haven't found any shelter yet. Or any food. I chased the guy down this time, so I kicked him and took his sled. Good thing I have a sled now. Now I can easily travel uphill. The sun's about to go down. I'm reaching my breaking point. Looks like I'll have to resort to eating snow. I guess I should go sledding now so I can burn off all those calories.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, son, it's time for dinner. Quit playing in the backyard and come inside.
But I was one with nature now. I couldn't go back.
We'll just eat dinner without you. Be home by dark.
I didn't need food. I didn't need shelter. All I needed was nature. But I forgot one major flaw. It gets dark.